Choosing between cremation and burial is a significant decision that can be influenced by various personal, cultural, and financial factors. Both options have unique characteristics, benefits, and considerations that can impact one's final decision. Understanding the differences between cremation and burial can help individuals make informed choices based on their values, beliefs, and circumstances. Body remains and process. Cremation involves the reduction of the deceased's body to ashes through a high-temperature process. This process reduces the body to bone fragments, which are then pulverized into fine ashes. These ashes are typically collected and placed in an urn. In contrast, burial involves placing the body in a casket or coffin, which is then interred in the ground. The body remains intact throughout the burial process, and decomposition occurs naturally over time. Religious beliefs play a crucial role in the decision between cremation and burial. Many religions have specific teachings and traditions regarding the treatment of the body after death. For example, Christianity traditionally favors burial as a way of honoring the body as a temple of the Holy Spirit. Hinduism, on the other hand, often practices cremation as a way to release the soul from the physical body. Understanding one's religious or spiritual beliefs can be an essential factor in choosing between these two methods. Funeral services for burial typically involve a ceremony at a funeral home or place of worship, followed by a graveside service where the casket is lowered into the ground. Cremation services may include a similar ceremony, but the process can be more flexible, with the option to hold services before or after the cremation. Cremation is often perceived as less reversible than burial. Once the body has been cremated, the process cannot be undone, while a burial site can theoretically be relocated or disturbed. Speed and timing. Cremation generally offers a faster resolution compared to burial. The process of cremation can be completed within a few hours to a day, while burial typically involves additional planning, including securing a cemetery plot and coordinating with funeral homes. This makes cremation a more immediate option for those who prefer a quicker disposition. Cost considerations. Cost is a significant factor for many individuals when choosing between cremation and burial. Cremation is often more affordable than burial due to the lower costs associated with urns compared to caskets, and the absence of cemetery plot expenses. Burial, on the other hand, involves various costs, including the purchase of a casket, burial plot, headstone, and ongoing maintenance fees for the cemetery. The environmental impact of cremation and burial can differ. Cremation uses energy and produces emissions, though modern technologies aim to minimize this impact. Burial requires land use and can contribute to environmental changes due to the use of non-biodegradable caskets and embalming fluids. Natural or green burial options are emerging, which aim to reduce environmental impact by using biodegradable materials and minimizing land disruption. In cremation, the remains are placed in an urn, which can be kept, buried, or scattered according to the wishes of the deceased or their family. Urns come in various materials, sizes, and designs, reflecting personal preferences and memorialization choices. In burial, the body is placed in a casket or coffin, which is often designed for durability and aesthetics. Caskets can be made from wood, metal, or other materials, and are often adorned with personalized details. Cremation has been growing in popularity, particularly in Western countries. In the United States, for example, the cremation rate has been steadily increasing and is expected to continue rising. This shift is influenced by changing attitudes towards death, cost considerations, and greater awareness of cremation options. Burial remains a traditional choice for many, especially in cultures and communities where it is deeply rooted in religious or familial practices. In summary, the choice between cremation and burial involves various factors, including religious beliefs, costs, environmental considerations, and personal preferences. Each method offers distinct advantages and challenges, making it essential for individuals and families to carefully consider their values and needs when making this important decision. Click on the link in the description below for your free ebook titled Understanding Your Options, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful insurance info and tips.